Join me as I take on the challenge of finding out which pole is truly the best, north or south. The North and South Poles are two of the most extreme and fascinating regions on our planet. These areas are characterized by freezing temperatures, limited access, and unique wildlife. They're also crucial for our planet's climate and ecosystem. But which one stands out as the best? Many people struggle to differentiate between the North and South Poles, and it's easy to see why. They're both cold, icy, and inhospitable, right? Not exactly. While they share some similarities, they're also vastly different in terms of their geography, climate, and even the experiences they offer. One common challenge people face when comparing the two poles is the misconception that they're identical. Another misconception is that the North Pole is exactly opposite the South Pole on the globe. However, the North Pole is actually located in the middle of the Arctic Ocean, while the South Pole is situated on the Antarctic continent. This difference in geography has a significant impact on the climate, access, and experiences at each pole. The North Pole is often associated with Santa Claus and the fantasy of Christmas, which can overshadow its scientific importance. In contrast, the South Pole is often seen as a more rugged and remote wilderness, which can make it seem more appealing to adventurers. These preconceived notions can make it difficult to compare the two poles objectively. Despite these misconceptions, both poles offer unique and unforgettable experiences. For example, the Northern Lights can be seen at the North Pole, while the South Pole offers breathtaking views of the Antarctic landscape and its diverse wildlife. Geographically, the North Pole is situated at the center of the Arctic Ocean, surrounded by floating sea ice. And this makes it difficult to access and means that any human habitation is limited to temporary research stations. In contrast, the South Pole is located on the Antarctic continent, which is covered in thick ice sheets. This ice sheet is up to 2 miles thick in some areas, making it a formidable challenge for even the most experienced explorers. The environmental aspects of both poles are equally fascinating. The Arctic region is home to incredible wildlife, including polar bears, walruses, and Arctic foxes, which have adapted to the harsh climate. The Antarctic region is home to its own unique wildlife, including penguins, seals, and whales. Both regions are also critical for our planet's ecosystem, with the poles playing a significant role in regulating the Earth's climate. In terms of human exploration, the North Pole has been accessed by air and sea, with many expeditions successfully reaching the pole. In contrast, the South Pole has been accessed primarily by air, with few expeditions making it to the pole overland. This difference in access has led to a greater understanding of the Arctic region, but also highlights the incredible challenge of exploring the Antarctic region. So, which pole is best? While both poles offer incredible experiences and opportunities for scientific discovery, the South Pole stands out as the more appealing option. The unique combination of rugged wilderness, breathtaking scenery, and diverse wildlife makes it an incredible destination for adventurers and scientists alike. In conclusion, we've explored the unique characteristics, common misconceptions, and fascinating aspects of both the North and South Poles. While both poles are incredible in their own right, the South Pole stands out as the more compelling option. Thanks for joining me on this journey to discover which pole is truly the best. Be sure to share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video on polar exploration.